Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or just someone trying to get a passion project off the ground, you know the deal. Getting eyeballs on your product is literally everything. But what if I told you that you could create high-converting Facebook and Instagram ads completely on your own? And I mean entirely on your own. No hiring a graphic designer, no tracking down a copywriter, none of that. Today, we're diving into a seriously cool strategy for automating your ad creation using AI. We're going to break down exactly how you can build a full professional ad in minutes using tools you probably already have sitting right on your laptop. Let's get into it. All right, so let's just address the elephant in the room right off the bat. The immediate financial drain of traditional marketing, 5,000 rupees. For a lot of small business owners, just handing over that kind of cash to a freelance designer or an agency just to get a single test campaign off the ground is a massive hurdle. I mean, it's a huge upfront cost before you've even spent a single penny on the actual ad platforms themselves. When budgets are incredibly tight, and let's be real, they usually are, that steep entry fee is exactly what keeps amazing products hidden from the world. But here's the wild part, and it's our core solution for today. The incredible promise we're exploring is that AI can literally generate your entire ad in just 2 minutes. Think about the gravity of that for a second. We are completely bypassing those crazy expensive agency fees and those agonizingly long turnaround times. We're talking about putting the power right back in your own hands. You really don't need a massive marketing budget anymore. You just need the right workflow. Section 1. The ad creation bottleneck, where small businesses get stuck. So ask yourself, where exactly do small business owners get hopelessly stuck when they try to launch ads? The intent is definitely there, right? You know that Facebook and Instagram are where your customers are scrolling all day. You know running ads is a proven way to scale. But when you actually sit down at your computer to build the campaign, boom, paralysis sets in. Why does that happen? Well, the bottleneck is usually twofold. First up, the copy. Writing a killer headline that actually stops someone from mindlessly scrolling, and then crafting a caption that drives a real sale, that's a highly specific psychological skill. Second, the design. Knowing Photoshop, understanding color theory, figuring out how to make a product pop on a tiny little mobile screen, it's incredibly daunting. When you're facing both of those skill gaps at the exact same time, it's really no wonder that most campaigns just never launch. Section 2. AI versus manual ads, the new paradigm. Now, what's really fascinating here is the stark contrast between these two worlds. I mean, it's a completely different reality. If you go the traditional manual agency route, you're looking at dropping thousands of rupees, like that 5,000 we talked about earlier. Plus, it takes days of back and forth emails, endless revisions, and just waiting. But with AI tools, the exact same output, a high-quality image and persuasive text, costs you absolutely 0 rupees and is done in 2 to 3 minutes. It's not just a slight upgrade, it's a total game changer. You're swapping out days for minutes and thousands for 0. How crazy is that? Moving on to Section 3, Meet Your AI Team, the free tools you need. As it turns out, you probably already know your new creative team. It is genuinely amazing how simple this is. Really, all you need is ChatGPT to act as your expert copywriter. You just chat with it, tell it about your product, who you want to sell it to, and it handles the whole shebang, the hooks, the bullet points, the call to action. Then you hop over to a free visual tool like Canva AI to instantly generate your graphics. You don't need to be an artist or a graphic designer. You literally just describe what you want the image to look like, and the AI paints it for you. Put them together, and these two tools replace an entire expensive creative department. Okay, Section 4, the 3-minute blueprint, live demo execution. Going from zero to a live campaign really just takes 3 simple steps. Step 1, open up ChatGPT and ask it for a snappy headline and a persuasive caption for your product. Step 2, jump right into Canva AI, feed it a quick prompt describing your product in a beautiful setting, and let it generate the image. And Step 3, download the image, copy the text, and stick them together right inside your Facebook or Instagram ad manager. That's it. Generate the text, create the image, hit publish. 3 steps, under 3 minutes. Mind-blowing, right? Section 5, your next steps, taking action today. Now that you actually have the blueprint to replace those expensive agencies with instant automation, just learning about it isn't quite enough. We need to put this into practice. You've got the strategy, but now you need the exact prompts to make the AI work perfectly for you. So to make this as effortless as possible, simply drop a comment below this explainer with the word ADS. Yep, just those 3 letters. If you do that, I'll personally send you the exact free templates and AI prompts to get you rolling right away. No guesswork. Just copy, paste, and launch your first AI ad today. As we wrap up this explainer, I really want you to ponder this final thought. If creating professional, high-converting ads now takes 0 rupees and absolutely no more than 2 or 3 minutes of your time, what is it really costing you to ignore these tools? The barrier to entry has completely vanished. The only thing standing between your business and your next customer right now is the simple decision to try. Thanks so much for